video on text effects. Text effects are found on the Home tab in the font group. They're this pretty A right here. And when we click the down arrow, it shows us everything that we can do. And if you are familiar with WordArt, you'll notice that this is exactly the same thing you're offered on WordArt. The difference is you can use text effects on text you've already typed. You don't have to type your text into the WordArt box. So let's take a look at some of these. What I've done is I've typed out the word screen and I copied it down here several times so we can play around a little bit. I'm going to choose the first line and I'm going to go to text effects and let's choose the blue one, color one shadow, and I'm going to make it a little bigger so you can see exactly what it looks like. It's got a little bit of a shadow on it. If I want to give it some more effects, I can select it, click the text effects again and go down here and give it an outer shadow or an offset bottom left shadow. Let's try that one and see what it looks like. Now you can see the shadow kind of sweeps across the bottom. Let's go to row 2 and we're going to go to text effects and we'll choose this one that actually has a big shadow on the bottom of it. Let me make it a bigger font. See the shadow down there? So we might not want to do anything else with this one. It might have enough with just that shadow. We can, however, change the color of it if we wish to by just going to our regular font colors and change it to whatever color we want it to be. Let's go down here and we'll choose another one here. Let's choose this gold one. Make it a little bigger so we can see what we're working with. The gold one just seems to be kind of fancy, nothing special. We're going to go down here to the bottom and choose a reflection. Asks me if I want it to reflection touching, reflection, half reflection touching, or full reflection touching. I'm going to go with full reflection 4-point offset so we can see what that looks like. And you can see that the reflection is almost touching the words above it. Let's go down a little bit here so we can see the next one. Choose the next one and use this black one. Okay, black one, we're going to make it bigger so we can see what it looks like. On this one, let's try the glow. We're going to make it glow 8-point gray accent color 3, and it just puts kind of a glow behind the words. So I've shown you how to use the text effects. Remember that they're the same thing as WordArt. The only difference is you can use these on existing words.